Hello everybody, it's Patrick here and we've got another classic unboxing of some interesting technology, something that I haven't seen unboxed. So maybe I have, maybe I haven't looked hard enough. Who cares, right? If you're watching this, obviously you found this video and you might want to watch it because it might be the first time you're watching this unboxing. And let me get that in frame for you. This is something that's very, very exciting to me. And I'll go into why. First of all, treVoloS, that's what this is. This is an electrostatic Bluetooth speaker. And if you look over here, this is a BenQ monitor. I have a BenQ monitor. What do the two things have in common? Well, BenQ is behind this brand, behind this Bluetooth speaker, and it's absolutely exciting that these guys have sent this to me for review. So let's talk about what this is. First of all, electrostatic speakers. These are, look, they're not new. They're not something particularly new. However, they are coming around to be something very popular because the technology has finally been, what you could say, nailed, right? It's been getting a lot better, more affordable, and there's a lot of things here that will sort of explain it all. So they're not the first brand to do it. There is a couple of very sort of popular brands that are doing it, but there's also those ones that are like on Facebook. So look out for a video about fake Facebook scams because some of them involves basically audio hardware. But this is not a fake thing. It's in my hand and it's up for sale right now. You can buy this. So let's have a look what's in here. We've got obviously electrostatic Bluetooth speaker. It is Bluetooth. It's got NFC, so you can put your phone to it and it'll connect automatically, which is really cool when you want to just connect maybe a friend who wants to play some music through it. Apparently there's non-distorted 3D sound, support for 16-bit digital audio via micro USB, and up to 18 hours of continuous play. That's actually an incredible number, and this, I have to say, is one of the heaviest boxes I've ever had my hands on. It is exactly around a kilogram, so it's not exact, but you know, it's a kilogram. It's quite heavy for a speaker, and it's probably, from what I understand, the very, very heavy electronics inside to drive these electrostatic speakers. But let's have a look inside of what's in there. This is a white one. BenQ.com is the only BenQ branding you have on the side. And what do we have on the back? Oh, there's a little BenQ logo here. Eco fact, so this box is ecologically safe. And that's it. That's pretty much what we have on the outside. It's quite a pretty looking item, very stylish, and obviously we can tell that something flips out because it goes around here and so on. So let's have a look inside. This is the first time I'm laying my eyes on it. And how do I open this box? Okay, there's two slits here. That's why I have the knife. I will put it away. Don't want to get demonetized by YouTube. Not that it does much, but you know. treVolo. Maybe something fancy. We've got a little card there. And, okay, that's a pretty standard thing. Gray stuff. And, wow, I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger. I was thinking the picture was actually smaller, but it's actually, whoa. It is really heavy. Wow, it's incredibly heavy. What the hell? All right, what do we got here? We've got, let's start with the cable before we get to this bit here. Let's put this white box right here next to this. So, we've got obviously a power cable, and this is a 5 amp micro USB, which is good. We've got a couple of adapters here, and from what I can see, I was not given an Australian adapter. Ooh, okay. That's okay. I'm sure I can find a 5 volt 2 amp charger somewhere. Yeah, 5 volts 2 amp. Can't be too hard to find. They've given an American charger. I don't think it's changeable. And this bit here is, though, if you buy it, obviously, this was sent to me, so I didn't actually buy it. But if you buy it, you'll have an attachment for the Australian market, and you'll be able to just chuck it in there and swap it out. I'm sure they'll give you a couple, but obviously this one does not have that. So I'll find another charging way to do it. We've got a case, a carry case. Man, I thought you'd need like a crane or something. This is tad heavy. Oh, it's very nice. Much, much better than the than Bethesda's bag for their special edition. This is a very nice bag. And we've got some instructions from BenQ treVoloS Bluetooth speaker quick guide. Now I won't be doing a sound test because I want to do my own test first. I don't want to give away anything, and I really want to give you guys my opinions on this very heavy device. I keep coming to the weight. It is very heavy. Whoa, oh okay, different color. It is white. I did say that at the start. Look at that. That's pretty. That's very nice. That's very nice. So we've got micro USB here. Obviously there's a battery in there, so 18 hours. We've got a 3.5mm jack with a little BenQ logo, the NFC logo here, so that's where you put your phone to pair. We have, oh, let me just turn it around for you guys. We have a Bluetooth button, an on-off, minus for sound, plus for sounds, up and down, mode and play and pause, and 2 speakers here, and these must be the bass speakers because these things out here, they flip out. These must be the electrostatic speakers. Look how thin this is. Amazing, incredible, incredible. Actually, I don't know if these are the speakers. I will have to test it out, but it kind of makes sense if it is, right? You've got the bass drivers here and the electrostatic. So electrostatic is very thin, doesn't need the magnetic bit at the end here, which is why it's like that. So you can make very different speakers, and this is very nice. This is very nice quality. Very nice. Pure metal, guys. This is pure metal. There's plastic on top to let the NFC work, but all this is metal. That's metal mesh right here. That's plastic for weight purposes, hopefully, but everything else is metal. Got a nice soft rubber base. What have we got underneath? SQ numbers, da-da-da. But can we turn it on? Has it got power? Nope, no power. treVoloS. This is incredible. I've never seen a speaker quite like this. Guys, thank you very much for watching this unboxing. I hope it got your interest piqued, and I hope you stay tuned, subscribed for the full review of this beautiful looking, very, just so unique. Like, this is unique. Like, come on. Who's got a winged speaker? Hope you stay tuned, hope you subscribe, like, dislike, let me know what you think about the speaker. Have you got it? Have you already got it? Maybe I'm already late to the review party. Let me know what you think. I will get a full review to you guys very soon. I've got a lot of testing to do. I've been provided with some high definition music. I've also got my own high definition music too. So by high definition, just, you know, high bit rates and whatnot. Very large file sizes. And we'll see how it goes. And I'll let you know what kind of music is best on it, what kind of file sizes you want to use, and if Bluetooth is even worthwhile running on this, or even 3.5mm jack, whatever it is. We'll see what happens. Guys, I'll catch you in another video. Thank you.